Hello everyone, I invite you to the Friday cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the one-day interval. First, we will mark the main uptrend line with the yellow line, then we will mark the uptrend line with the blue line from which the price went down. Now we can move on to marking the places of support in the event of a correction. And here we will start by checking the support using the trend-based fib extension tool. We will mark a strong support zone from $25,537 to $23,992. If this zone does not hold the price, we can see a rapid drop to around $21,621. It is also worth spreading the Fibonacci grid in order to check the entire movement, and here we can see that the price drop touched the so-called golden Fibonacci point, from which it quickly rebounded. We can further increase the level of the next support from $22,232 to $21,621. Looking the other way, we will determine the places of resistance in a similar way. Here you can immediately see that the price rebound stopped at the $26,974 resistance. And then we have a very strong resistance zone from $28,663 to $31,430. Only when the price breaks it will it be able to move towards the $35,849 resistance. Despite the strong drop in price, when we turn on the EMA cross 50 and 200, we can see that the yellow line of the EMA cross 50 stays above the blue line of the EMA cross 200, which indicates an uptrend. It is worth watching these lines at this point because when the yellow crosses the blue line from above, it means that it is a return to a very strong downward trend. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that the energy in the current movement has been used. On the RSI indicator, we have also crossed the lower limit of the range, which also indicates no energy depletion. And the stock track indicator itself has exceeded the lower limit, which confirms the depletion of energy and the possibility of ending the current correction prices. As the second chart in today's review, we will check ETH against USDT, also on a single-day time frame. First of all, using the yellow line, we can mark the uptrend line, from which the price went down. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the supports, and as you can see, first we have the support zone from $1,610 to $1,479. Which at the moment held the price. The second very strong support at the price of $1,298. and then we can see a drop to around the support level $1,061. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here is the first resistance. We will mark the zone from $1,743 to $1,819. Then we have the second zone from $1,899 to $2,009. And then a very strong resistance at $2,146. The CHOP index indicates that the energy has been used. On the RSI, we crossed the lower limit, which also indicates the use of energy, while the stock indicator rebounded and the energy was used to rebound the price after the decline. As the third one, we will check the SOL chart on a 4-hour interval. As we can see, the price came out of the uptrend line along which we were moving. Let's start by marking the support spots for the price, and we see that we first have support at $20.22, which kept the price down. But if the price goes lower, then we have another support at $16.86, then support at $12.73. Looking the other way, we can similarly determine the places of resistance that the price has to face. And here we will mark the resistance zone from $24.65 to $26.10. Then we have a second zone from $27.59 to $29.63. And then we have strong resistance at $32.27. The CHOP index indicates that the energy has been used up and is slowly starting to bounce back. On the RSI, we are moving at the lower end of the range, which may limit further price decline. And on the stock indicator, we have a visible rebound that confirms the price rebound after the decline. Last in today's chart is the MKR chart against USDT on the 4-hour interval. As we can see, the price has left the bottom of the uptrend line. After unfolding the trend-based fib extension grid, we can see that the price is currently holding a small support zone from $1,117 to $1,086. While we still have support at $959. However, when we fall below this support, we can see a quick move to the support area at the price $704. Looking the other way, we see that first there will be a resistance zone from $1,192 to $1,256. Then we have a second zone from $1,321 to $1,414. And then a very strong resistance at $1,531. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that the energy in the current downward movement has been used. On the RSI, we are moving at the lower limit of the range. But on the stock indicator, you can see that a large movement on the indicator results in a small price movement, which may translate into deeper declines. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.